Spring is in the air. Let's make a quick and easy little pea salad. I have here in this bowl 1 cup of mayonnaise and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and I'm just going to mix that together. I'm going to add to that 1/4 cup of sour cream, mix that together good. I have here 1 tablespoonful of minced onion and 2 teaspoons of a sweet pickle relish. And I'm just going to add those in there. Stir those up. And then I'm going to add 1 drained can, 14-ounce can of peas. And we're just going to mix them together a little bit. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to take a bowl. I'm going to make these individual salads. Otherwise, I would just layer this in a big bowl. But tonight, we're going to have individual salads. I'm going to take just a little bit of spring lettuce. I'm going to put some of my peas in there. I'm going to slice a boiled egg. And I'm going to put, about 2 tablespoonfuls of grated cheddar cheese on top. And there we go. We've got a nice little springtime salad.